Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss different types of fractions. In the first group of fractions we have here is called negative and positive fractions. Fractions above zero are called positive and fractions below zero are called negative fractions. Then proper fractions. In this type of fractions the numerator is smaller than denominator. The example is 1 divided by 2, 2 divided by 3, 3 divided by 4. You see, numerator is smaller than the denominators. Then improper fractions, fractions where numerator is bigger than denominator, like 3 divided by 2, 5 divided by 4, 6 divided by 4, etc. Mixed fractions, fractions containing a whole number and a fraction, like 2 and a half, 3 and 2/3, 5 and a half, etc. You see there is a whole number and next to it is a fraction which is added. Equivalent fractions, fractions with different numerator and denominator, but they result in same fraction when simplified. For example, 2 divided by 3 is equivalent to 4 divided by 6, because when we simplify 4 divided by 6, the answer is 2 divided by 3. So they are called equivalent to each other. Unit fractions, fractions where the numerator is 1 and the denominator is a positive number. For example, 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 3, 1 divided by 4, etc. The numerator is 1. Like fractions, fractions with same denominators. For example, 3 divided by 5, 4 divided by 5, 7 divided by 5, etc. Unlike fractions, fractions with different denominators. For example, 3 by 4, 4 divided by 5, 5 divided by 7, all have different denominators. So here is a summary of all the different types we discussed: negative and positive fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, equivalent fractions, unit fractions, like fractions, and unlike fractions. So I hope this makes some sense. Good luck and thank you for watching.